Hi guys, welcome to Grudy's. Rightio, let's have a look at this. So, because I was questioned, I like to prove that I'd done what I was questioned over. So here we go. We have the M20. Now, I was questioned whether or not the valve reliefs were big enough. Now, I already knew they were 284, 280 with some big ass valve reliefs. I knew they were. Now, this head gasket is a 175 versus a 205. So this is 10 thou thinner. So this gets us at a 40 thou quench. Right. 3 mil depth. Two mil valve to pocket. And that valve pocket's huge, so it's only at that very point at the edge there that bothers me. And nothing, because the exhaust never touches. Right, so we've chamfered these. Gives you an idea now. See, there's now enough all the way around. Perfect. So, what I did was pulled them all out this morning, chamfered them all, put one in, wound it around numerous times, check that valve to piston clearance, just to be on the ultra safe side. Your valve won't deviate 2 mil. It might deviate half a mil at full noise, 7,500 RPM. It might flex a little, but it's not going to flex 2 mil. Right? And that's right at the edge. And look at this. And this is also good for you guys that want to use these pistons. That is close to, hold on, let's get a ruler. There you go, look at that. Right, can we get a, it's actually, you could probably get away without a valve relief at all. Right, m20b29 goes back together today. I'll change the sump because I sent another sump. No reason why, I've obviously got to put it on, so I'll do that. I'll get rid of the silicone anywhere that they've put silicone. I will, on this one, I'm going to use 3-bond to glue the sump on. You know why? Because I can, and I know 3-bond's just ridiculously good. I don't think I've got any more of those gaskets. Oh, hold on. No, I actually do. You know what? I won't 3-bond it. Look at that. Because we've got stocks, I will run M20. I'll run the Rains gasket because they're good. I like them. Done, guys, done. So Elring did fuck up a bit on the head gaskets. I don't know when, but the fire ring's gotten smaller. They don't fit nice and tight like they used to. They used to press on really, really well. Now they move around a little. I think that's what the issue was. I really do. I reckon that's what the issue was it landed just out. Now, these used to be very tight push-on. Not anymore. So be careful, guys. Something to learn here. You have a lovely day, and she'll be all back together and hopefully in the box tonight or tomorrow morning.